Now, you will make money every day if you have an active account on this platform that I'm about to show you. Before I say anything at all about this platform where you can deposit $1 or if you're in Nigeria about 1,300 naira or thereabout, and you will make money from these savings every day. I mean every day, so that you can be rest assured that I am not just recommending a platform that I have not tried. Now, this platform is a global platform, so you can use it to multiply your idle money from anywhere around the world by just depositing your free cash and make your commission from it every day. So as you can see here in my dashboard, I have about $279 here on my account. Though I made this money both from my previous deposits and the interest I got from leaving my free money on this platform for a while. Now, since I discovered this platform, what I do is that anytime I have any money that I don't want to use for sometimes, I just put it here and leave. So far the amount is up to $1, and if you're in Nigeria, that is between 1,000 naira to 1,500 naira or thereabout, depending on the time you're watching this video. So if I scroll down, you will see here that I recorded this video on the 1st of May. You can see here that I'm expecting a profit of $2.77 by the 2nd of May at exactly 10 a.m. That is London time, which fortunately is also the same with Lagos time. Don't worry, I will explain better on how you too can participate later in this video, so you just keep watching. So if I scroll further down, you can see here that you can even make money on this platform through other means like affiliate referrals, which of course is not compulsory. In fact, you can see here that I don't even have any affiliate referral on this account yet. And that is because I wanted to make sure I test this platform and be sure that it is working before referring you guys to start using it. So let me scroll down. So here you can see the exchange rates here if you want to trade on this platform, but don't worry, we will get to that aspect later. So now, who is this video for? Now, this video is for two sets of people. Number one, if you want to make a fortune from cryptocurrency this year, this video is for you. And if you have not really been a crypto enthusiast, but you too want to start making money from crypto, and you're looking for a legit and simple, uncomplicated platform to make money from, and you want to be sure that the platform is legit, you too should keep watching this video. Now, there are different ways to make money from this platform that I want to show you here, but I want to zero down on two of them. Don't worry, I will share more later. Now, there is a chance that as you're watching this, you have some money in your local bank account or even in some other places. What is happening to your money is that it's probably losing its value, or maybe banks are even deducting from what you already have, or maybe the platform that you are currently saving your money in, is promising you a percentage maybe after 2 months, 3 months, 6 months or thereabout. Now, why should you do that when there is a platform where you can deposit as little as $1 or more, of course? And come to think of it, $1 in Nigerian naira is less than 1,500 naira, and you can deposit this money, and this money will keep giving you percentages and interest and growth on this platform every day. I mean every day. Now, just imagine that you have, let's say, $5, $10, $15 thereabout, or about 6, 10, 15, 20,000 naira that you don't want to use for, say, another 1, 2, 3 weeks, and you save this money into this platform. Imagine what that will become by the time you want to make a withdrawal. That is what you can achieve on this platform that I am revealing to you. Secondly, if you are registered with this platform, you can actually take loans from them. Yes, almost at zero interest rate, just like you're taking from your normal bank. So you can fix whatever project that you're looking for money to fix. But for you to access the loan facility on this platform, of course, your account has to be active. The amount of money that you will make from your deposit will be based on the proportion of how much profit this platform makes daily, and you will get your profit at about 10 a.m. every day. Now, the name of the platform I am talking about is called Itat. So let me take a quick pause and ask if you have heard about Itat before or you own an account with them. Let me know in the comments section so that new members can know that this platform is legit and is here to stay, and there are so many people that are presently trading and saving money on this platform. So quickly, to sign up with Itat is very simple. All you need to do is to click the Itat link in the video description below this video and it will redirect you to this page. I'll be using a laptop here. Of course, you can use your phone. It is just the same process. So once the link opens up, it will take you to this register page here. Now, filling this registration form is very straightforward, as you can see. Just make sure that you fill them with the correct information. Now, this ID here will auto-generate for you, and then you will type in this code in here and then click the blue register button. So I'll go ahead and do that for this demo account. So as you can see, it's done. It's that easy. Now here is my login username, and this password here will be auto-generated for you. You can always change your password later, as I will show you how to do that very soon. Now here they are asking us to save these details somewhere, so I will just copy here and it will be copied to clipboard, and then you can save wherever you want to save it. So I will continue to member area. So this is what your new account will look like. Of course, this is just a demo account. So let's switch to my original account and let me show you what I have on my dashboard. So like I already explained before, the minimum amount that you can get started with or save on the Itat platform is $1. Of course, like I said, you can do much more, because you have to bear in mind that the higher the amount you have in your account, the higher your profit or interest margin will be. I mean, that makes sense, right? So as long as you have money saved on Itat, you will be getting commission every day. I mean, every single day. So for instance, as far as I leave this amount in my account, I will be getting 1% of the total money that I have in this account paid daily to me from the profit that Itat is making by using my money to trade. So this is just a good reason why it is not wise for you to just leave your money in the local bank. I mean, why not bring in a little here to Itat and just test it for yourself? Though I will also advise you as a starter to save only a little amount in Itat at first, or any other platform for that matter. My rule here is that I don't put too much money into a platform that I am just trying out and that I am not yet used to. So once you get more comfortable with Itat, then you can increase your deposit or even leave only the profit that you have made and then remove your principal. It's all left to you. Another reason why you want to use Itat is because you can actually place your deposits in both US dollars and in cryptocurrencies on Itat. You can either top up your account or make withdrawal at any time, and almost immediately your money will be available to you. Also, you can withdraw both your principal or profit or both of them, and then you can do that at any time you wish to do so, and almost immediately you will get your money. So if I want to add money to my account, all I will do is to simply scroll down, and here I will click add fund. Okay, so it has opened for us. So as you can see here, you can either add fund, you can do your crypto exchange or make withdrawal depending on what you want to do. So if I click add fund, so here I can either make my deposit via fiat money, that is the real USD, or I can deposit it using cryptocurrency. So if I want to deposit using fiat, and that is USD, all I need to do is to input the amount that I want to deposit in here. And I have two options to pay in here, either with Betty or ePaycor. But of course, I prefer making deposits in cryptocurrency, and I would suggest that you do so also, because for instance, if you live in Nigeria, you can easily create and manage your crypto account. And if you want me to create another video to show you how to create your own crypto account, you can let me know in the comment section and I will do that for you guys. So if I scroll down, you will see that you can actually make your deposit in several cryptocurrencies on the Itat platform, which for me is really a cool idea. It makes this platform very handy to use, so I think I like that. So I'll go back home. Okay, so here, if I want to make crypto exchange, I will just click here. So here, USD is auto selected for me. So if I want to change it to any other, currency, or cryptocurrency, I'll just do so here. So let's leave this at 1 USD here. Then here, I can also select my choice of crypto. So let me just choose Ethereum here. So you can see the exchange rate. So I can just go to exchange and then complete my process. So I'll go back. So here, if I want to make a withdrawal, I will click the withdraw payment. Okay, here select the payment system with which your payment will be made. Again, you can see numerous available cryptocurrency options for you to choose from. And once you make your choice, just go ahead and click your payment details and then complete your payment process. It's that easy, guys. So I will go back home. So as you can see, it's that simple. You can make your deposit and then make profit every day, and you can either withdraw your principal, you can withdraw your profit, or withdraw both at any time depending on what you like for yourself. So guys, I really think that you should give Itat platform a try, and let's see how it goes. I want you to come back to this video and make comments in the comment section of what you feel about this platform. If you got value from this video, please give it a like and also hit the subscribe button to get the part 2 of this video and other videos when I publish them. Also, if you want to get to see more AI videos and digital marketing videos that will help you make money and improve your life this year, then make sure you subscribe to this channel.